wife likes running right through the winter. I'm just concerned about her wiping out on ice or slippy spots like this girl.
It's the perfect texture for running.
So I just got her some running shoes for Christmas, these Lululemon trail runners, and I ordered a bag of these. I'll put a link in the video. They're studs for your tires, tire studs. But these were the smallest ones I could get, or I could find, so I ordered these. They're quite expensive, but comes with a little tool, and you just drill like a little pilot hole, and then I'm just putting these guys right in here. Probably not in every single spot, we'll see. But the front, back, kind of mostly where you would be if you lost your balance or when you're stepping and landing, so that if she does hit any slippery or ice spots, she won't kill herself. So I'm putting 24 in each shoe, mostly at the back where the heel will strike the ground, and then when her toe pushes off. So let her give that a test run, and I mean, that is gonna work for sure. There's no way that's not gonna create some good traction. Way better than those flimsy ones you strap around your feet and they feel all awkward, and this should basically just feel like her running shoes with some good traction if it gets icy.